Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam. I got these door handle inserts that convert the handle into a small storage area. I saw a lot of Bronco owners getting something like this. However, the popular ones everyone seems to be getting mount to the bottom of the handle with tape. I thought mounting from the bottom might not be the best design given their function. I was afraid that it might fall off if you put something with weight in it, especially if the tape got heated up in the summer. Instead, the ones I got here insert through the top of the handles and are shaped so they don't fall out the bottom. Construction-wise, they seem pretty solid. The set also includes some double-sided tape strips and silicone or rubber type inserts. Installation of these is certainly not rocket science, but there was no reference on what to do with the double-sided tape. Given the shape of the tape, I assumed it was to add to the sides so the insert would fit more snugly and lock in place. So I did that. I put the tape on the side of each insert before shoving them in. They do fit pretty good. I did have to give them a little extra push to get them to seat all the way down. But I think they look okay, almost factory. As a test, it did hold my phone just fine, without any worry of it falling out. But what did my wife think? Yeah, I agree. It's not an earth-shattering upgrade, but I think it does add some additional storage functionality. If you think this is something you'd want to add to your Bronco, I'll provide links to this type of insert in the description below. Otherwise, I guess I'll see you later.